Good morning guys and welcome back to Maga Family channel. Today we are starting our day at the flower market. Another wedding in our family and I'm the one who is doing flowers. So I'm taking you guys on this little journey with me. It's gonna be very busy wedding. Lots of flowers. I mean lots of flowers. So right now I'm by the flower market just waiting on my driver to come with a truck, with a refrigerator truck actually, to pick up flowers. That's how many flower services doesn't even fit in my car. So I will see you guys back in church where we're gonna start decorating. So this is what we got. A lot of flowers. I know it doesn't look that much, but when I open all the boxes, it's actually 72 bunches of roses. Each bunch is 24 flowers, so it's a lot of flowers. Plus there's gonna be some that I have to pick up tomorrow, but still have to unpack this. This is all greenery. This is actually flowers. More greenery here. More flowers here. Hydrangeas. So I have 3 days full of work here, and we're gonna start working now. So right now I'm just preparing foam for the flowers for the wall. And I'm just gonna leave them here for till tomorrow. They should be fine. Fill it up with water. I have some more here. And then tomorrow we're gonna start working with flowers. So right now it's more of a preparation. I left church, going home right now. I have those flowers right here that I have to unload and cut and put them in the water. Plus I have kids at home that I have to take care of. And basically tonight I'm going back to church and we're gonna start on cleaning flowers, and most likely tomorrow we're gonna start doing the backdrop from roses. Also tomorrow evening I'm gonna start on centerpieces and some other arrangement that I'm supposed to finish by Saturday morning. We're back to church, and you probably remember this building from the previous wedding decoration video I did, maybe 2 months ago. So now I'm gonna start working on the flowers, and I just want to show you really quick. So this is the frame that is gonna be filled up with the foam oasis, and then I'm gonna fill it up with the white roses. My friend helped us out and weld this for us. It should be a huge help in order to make this wall. I have some roses here that I'm gonna start cleaning. There's more flowers in the truck. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So now we're gonna start on the flower wall right here, and it's gonna be a whole day job, so it's gonna be wild. Keep watching. Everyone is sleeping right now, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work with flowers. Bunch of centerpieces, bunch of this way. Yeah, so I'll take that back to church and then we'll finish it up in the church. Tomorrow is the last day for decoration. Alright guys, moment of truth, and here we go, we finished. Today is the wedding day and that's what it's looked like.